Hey everyone, welcome back to a Render Spaz video. This is part 7 of the 67 GT500 build. Shelby, that is. And what we're going to do is we're going to create the front grill area here. We're going to add a little element inside, and we're going to polish this up so that it looks a little bit more finished. So we're going to start off with using a plane, and it's going to kind of drag it out roughly where I think we're going to have this kind of come to the end here. All right, that little section. And then we're actually, you know what? No, better yet, let's do it this way. Let's make it right across the whole entire grill area. We're going to convert it to an editable poly and bring it out. So what we're going to do is just go through, and I already have kind of an idea of what I want. And let's just see where we go from there. So we're just gonna shape out this grill. Okay, I'm just gonna do the frame area here. Just kind of even everything out and extrude. Let's get some creases going here. Try to just copy the profile of the edge of the body panels here where the ends of the grill is. And this should make more sense in a minute here. I'm just gonna sharpen everything up. And let's grab this middle part and add another edge, which gives it a kind of a nice little indent. All right, so now we can connect here, and then what we're going to do is just extrude out another branch, pretty much, of the grill, and just this will give us that little midsection frame, or just an extra piece that will kind of give it divide the grill area here. So we're just going to add some more edges here. Let's make this a bit sharp. Let's see if I can move this around and see if I get anything to work with the angle here. Trying to keep everything a little bit even there. I don't want anything to extrude out too much. We'll just sharpen up this area here where there's the bend, to give that a little bit more of an edge, and just shape out this rest of the grill. So I think this is going to work once I add the symmetry back, and just kind of fix up some of these body panels here a little bit uneven here. So we're just going to rearrange. All right, so I think that's looking pretty good. It kind of goes with the design. This little area over here looks a little bit off position, so I'm just going to do a quick adjustment here. And always adjusting a little bit. The great thing about these types of cars is that nothing's really perfect. You know, there's a lot of imperfections and things like that even coming off the line, these cars are not perfect. The body panels don't always line up perfectly in pristine as, but so we get a little bit of some flexibility with that. But I just want to make sure everything kind of does look good and not too messy, right? We just want to keep things clean. Just checking over a few more things here. I think we're gonna see from this angles, everything looks like it's pretty good. Nothing looks off. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to our plane again here. We're just going to drag it all the way out till we cover the entire grill area. And we're going to create a little mesh, just something to go add in there. Think of like a crisscross mesh. So add some segments. What I'm going to do here is just add a little bit of a shell, or add a shell modifier to this and add a little bit of thickness to the grill itself. Okay, once I get it into place, we can then use the, just modify this a little bit and bend it around just so that it kind of fits into place a little bit more. It seems to be working pretty good. Okay, let's get a render here and see what happens. This is looking pretty good so far. Let me just slow. There we go. This is looking really good. Now we got a purple grill here, so we're gonna have to change that. We go to our material editor here, and we're just gonna see if we got something to work with, or create something from scratch. If something from scratch, we go to our surface. Okay, use a surface, standard surface. We're gonna just apply it. Nice gray grill here. I'm just gonna do something more in the black tones here. So this is looking pretty good. I just want to maybe add some metalness. Bring this back up or down a little bit of the value. Just so we can see it, because it's so dark in there, so it's, you just want to have a little bit of, you want to see a little bit of detail. But yeah, this is looking really good. I'll add a material to the framing of the grill. Maybe something more like a carbon fiber material. Just gotta add a texture, and I'll do that a little bit later. Let's have a look. This is looking good. Very happy with that. Guys, let me know too in the comments below. Do you like the speed of the videos? Is it too fast? Would you want me to slow it down more? Slow down completely? Just let me know. Hopefully this is, you guys are catching on and you're enjoying. So now we are at a good part of the video where we are going to now change these wheels out with these guys. So I've already pre-set up this wheel here, so I'm going to now exchange them and get rid of these ones. So pretty much the Eleanor rim, okay, and tires. We've got some new tires in there. And I'm gonna just take these the materials that I've had on these tires that I've prepped already, and just so I can sample them and have them to reapply. So let's grab the sidewalls, and let's grab the treads just to have them in case. And yeah, let's put these guys on and see what they look like. Let's give them new shoes. Let's give the car some new shoes. So I'm going to go with a larger size wheel. The width is going to be a little bit thinner in the front, and then in the back we're going to like span those tires out a little bit more, make them a little bit more wider and a little bit bigger, just like this, and just snap them into place. I'm going to move the rotors and the caliper back in to readjust, and then let's have a look at what we got. All right, just a few more positions or changes here. Just kind of, I'm going to want to add a little bit of a camfer to the just to the wheels here to give them a little weight. All right, and now let's have a look. Okay, I'm just going to throw the render view and just dock it over here. And so we can start to work on the materials of this wheel. All right, so we do have the materials that we've saved from the previous tire. So I'm just going to grab this one and drag it out. Okay, right now we don't have any sidewall texture. I'm just going to leave that for now until we get into more of the refining of the rendering parts of this video series. But for now, we're just going to get some rubber on there. Okay, we're just going to switch over to the other side and do that as well. Okay, yeah, I could just select all these tires in one hit. And, yeah, you know what, I enjoy the process. Just kind of dragging everything over to each of them. And let's go from there. Okay, so we'll just go over to this area here and just start to work on the rim itself. Get a material going for that. The white looks pretty cool. But for now, I'm going to go with more of like probably like a carbon fiber, some kind of darker metal. Just going to add a turbo smooth to this guy just to smooth it out real quick. Alright, just get a little more dense mesh there. Alright, let's throw some material on these wheels. We're just going to play around with the settings a bit here and just see what we can come up with. Like something like that. Okay. So just add some more metalness to the rim. That's looking pretty good. Let's apply to the other tires, the other wheels, and voila. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, so this is looking really good. So I just want to look over the design so far and where we're at, and just kind of take a look here from this render with the wheels added in, and now we have the section where the grill is here. We put that part in, and just want to go through and have a look. And so far, I love the way this car sits on the ground. I like how low it is. I am digging these vents. This looks pretty cool. And then these wheels, I think it works. You know, I've wanted them to have some depth inside here, and just have these bigger kind of wheels that come out, and it's just looking really good. And even this this grill area here looks pretty cool. I don't know what you guys think about this middle bar here coming through, or if there's something else we can do, but yeah, this is pretty sweet. I gotta fix up in here. There's I think this is just a part that needs the edge added in and then extruded inwards, and that should block light coming through there, because you can actually see the tire back there. But we're gonna fix that too, and we're gonna start to go towards the back and work on the back end. I got a great idea for the back. I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna keep it clean and modern. But yeah, so far so good. I did some adjustments towards the fender area. Still want to fix up a little bit here. There's some unevenness. That'll just be some general cleanup later. Even here, there's a little bit of a weird bend here. That doesn't make sense, so I'm going to try to like straighten that out. But these are just little things that I'm going to put on my agenda just to kind of work out later. Actually, I'm going to add material to this middle section here. Maybe some carbon fiber. I don't know. Even the hood would be nice to get something there, something different. But we'll see. I'm going to start to put this all together, and then we're going to start getting a car paint onto this car and start to polish it up to get it finished. So yeah, guys, this is great. Very excited for the next rounds here, and I hope you're excited too. And yeah, check back because I'm going to have more on the horizon very shortly. So we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.